Another unboxing from, not unboxing, but the rituals haul. What I've ordered in rituals. So I ordered this one and I picked it up after 2 hours in the store. So what we have here. So I ordered shampoo because, as I said, I recommend their shampoo because my hair loss is minimized using their shampoo. This time I ordered different one because they have now it's 90 crowns instead of 139 crowns. So I ordered 3 pairs. I usually have Sakura all the time, and I also ordered another series. So let's see. So what we got, we have conditioner, shampoo, this smells pretty good. Sweet. And the conditioner. And also my favorite scent is the Rituals of Karma shampoo. And then the conditioner. And then I ordered this calming sip. So I can't, unfortunately I can't open this one because I ordered this one as a gift. This we're giving to person. This is a gift, so I can't open it. But this is a calming set of, I think this is the Rituals of Jinn. It's a calming set where you help to sleep well. So we have inside is a calming foaming shower, dry oil for your body and hair. It's just 50. So there's all just small sizes. It's like 12 sizes for you go and travel. Soothing body cream for 70 ml, and then we have the pillow and body mist that you can spray in your pillow or your comforter so that you can sleep well. So it has, I read about this, it has a lavender in the ingredients. So, and you see the lavender there, yeah. And then I'm supposed to have a free gift of a home, like what I have here at home. So I have a big one. I'm supposed to get a small size of this one. I was thinking I can replace my toilet, and I was using the Sakura in the toilet. Maybe I can use it, but they don't have any. So what I get for free is the cream, and then you can choose which cream you want. So I choose Sakura cream, body cream, because I'm out of it, I think. So it's unfortunate that I didn't get the home, you know, the sticks. I forgot how to call it in English, but it's dove stick in Swedish. So I got this instead. So that's it. Our Sakura, our ritual house. So I have now shampoos that I can use for a couple of months. It's not me using this shampoo actually there, but I bought an ordinary shampoo for them because I told them that this is actually quite expensive, but it helps with my hair problems. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and try some support products. No, I'm not interested for this. It's not a paid vlog bought by Rituals, but this is just I love Rituals, especially the shampoos. Now I have minima. It's not that so much hair loss that I have now. So I can. So I was like looking for a shampoo before I used Dove because I like Dove, and I was using other L'Oreal I have and other shampoos, but then they're really good. They're really nice, smells nice, but they didn't really improve my hair loss now that I'm getting older and I'm eating right fruits and vegetables every day, and so I tried one of these. I tried Sakura. I also tried, and then I noticed a couple of weeks. I noticed in 2 weeks, I think, that I have my hair loss has minimized. I still have it because we all have hair loss. We always lose hair every day. That's a fact. But it's minimized with the shampoo. So try it.